Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are doing well. Today, before I start the reading, I feel in the morning, whenever you get the time in the evening or in the morning, just take some kacha kapoor, the camphor, and burn it outside the house, like on the entrance of the house, indicating that anything unwanted from your house is going away and things are really going to be good. Also, if possible, have a bath with rock salt water today so that any unwanted energies will go away, because full moon is coming. So obviously some of you might be having emotional upswings, some of you may be having emotional ups and downs. So based on that is what I'm asking you all to do. So let's see what is in store of your day today. Okay, that's the first beautiful card which has come, the King of Coins. So a day of money, a day of abundance. But let's pull one more card. Okay, that's another beautiful card, the Magician card. Now I'm just trying to see what the answers. See, if you see the Magician, it's throwing light on something. Now if you see the card, the King of Coins, or the King of Coins, I feel you're trying to finalize some things today. You're planning to control situations over money, and you're trying to see what is the best way of doing it. Should you take a loan or take a help from someone, or should you just focus on your goals and move forward in that goals and work towards it? So if you closely see, I feel you just need to focus on your goals, and you will be in control of your situation. You don't have to worry about how you will handle it and what you will do and how you will get the money, because I feel the Magician card, the next card, just says with the right amount of communication, with the right amount of positive actions that you will take, you will be able to achieve the financial goal which is lacking for you, or which you feel is not happening. Because somewhere I feel that you need to just sit back and jot down points where what has to be sorted out and how it has to be sorted out, and you will get an answer, and you will be able to work on it beautifully, and you will be able to come out of the situation very nicely. Maybe today in the evening, if you have time, being a Friday, go to some Lakshmi temple and pray to Goddess Lakshmi, or just hear the Mahalakshmi Hridaya Stotram in the evening by burning a ghee lamp in front of her, and I'm sure she's going to give you loads and loads of blessings. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.